வணக்கம். தேங்க்ஸ் அரவிந்த். இந்த மேடை, before I start, I have a question to ask the audience. உங்களுக்கு பெரிய கோயில் பெயிண்டிங் மட்டும்தான் பார்க்கணுமா, இல்ல இந்த கடந்த நாட்களாக வரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வராதவங்களும் வந்துட்டு பிஸியா இருக்கேன்னு போனவங்களும், do you want to have a snapshot of what you missed? It will take about, இப்போ பெரிய கோயிலுக்கும் இதுக்கும்னா இன்னும் ஒரு 20 நிமிஷம் உங்களால ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? No, பெரிய கோயில், you have to wait. Can you switch to the other one? Just escape it. There's another one. Okay. So I'm going to quickly rush through and எல்லாருக்கும் தேங்க் பண்றதுக்குலாம் டைம் எடுத்துக்க போறதில்ல, because there are a lot of people behind me. இருந்தாலும் தெரியாது, மறைச்சிருவேன். I don't want to individually thank them all. I want to use every minute of this opportunity to show you beauties. My favorite, thanks to Ashok, Umayya Paramalai. I want to start with Ajanta in the chronological order. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி காந்திராஜனும் அருள்லாம் காமிச்சாங்க. Unfortunately, I think my lifestyle is not enough even to look at this time span. So அதுக்கு முன்னாடி போகாம I'm just going to start with Ajanta. Just to show you, இது சாமான் சார் சொல்லும்போது கொஞ்சம் சம்மர் போல இருக்கு. இது வந்து much more vegetation இருக்கிறது. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. For people who have not been there, I just want to give you a visual feed. These are the caves, and as we go nearer, the visual presentation has a sense of awe. I don't want you to just stop with the sense of awe. I want you to go there and see it. ஏன்னா கிட்ட போக போக தான் the massiveness is known. And as you said, these pillars are hewed out of the mother rock. Angadan the paintings irukku. So I'm just going to show you, Nethi Swaminathan sir has shown us a lot of aspects of this painting. So I want to show you a few of my favorite ones. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ஸ்கூல்ல எல்லாம் எங்களை மாதிரி கெட்ட பசங்க இருக்கிறதுனால தான் நல்ல பசங்க நல்ல பேர். அது மாதிரி I want to show you, நல்ல பசங்க காட்டுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி I want to show you a few current day Buddha. இந்த காலத்துல நிக்கிறாங்க. இப்படிலாம் நிறைய மாடர்ன் ஆர்ட்ன்ற பேரு நிறைய பேர் பாக்குறோம் ரூம்ல எல்லாம். How would Ajanta Bodhisattva look? And as we zoom closer, you really want to appreciate it. அந்த ஒரு புருவத்தில் போறோம், அந்த ஒரு புருவத்தில் இருக்க அழகு. If there's an artist in this audience, you'll know the beauty. There's no other words to explain the simplicity with which those eyebrows have been drawn. I just want to show you for continuity's sake. Yesterday also we saw these two here, the Kinnara couple. Very important. Later we'll just see them. Baroque style. So just to show, these are Byzantine designs, very modern, current, contemporary. But Ajanta everything இருக்கும். If somebody wants to show you these together, you will not be able to see a difference. These are in fact the Ajanta borders. I'm just rushing through because 20-minute time. I just want you to look at this motif of swans. Later we will see a similar parallel, so that's why I want to show this. Again, appreciate பண்றதுக்கு டக்குன்னு காமிச்சா இது ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு மாடு. இன்னொரு மாடு இருக்கு, ரெண்டு கொம்போட. So சாரோட, if you are blessed enough, you have to go once and see all this. Again, the famous bull there. மாடு தெரியுதா? Again, expressiveness. சும்மா ஒரு வாத்தியோ போடல, அந்த கண்ணில் இருக்கிற ஒரு feeling is there in the eyes. Again, we've seen enough of these. I just want you to see the eye. Laterally in the motif comes repeatedly given in Chittanavada, so we look at them. Okay, these are showing this dancer, modern. Yeah, the grace, the flow, and the detailing on her is quite amazing. But what's interesting is without a guide, if you had to look at this, you just walk around. Hello, I just want you to look at the top, this part. Sir was explaining to us. Imagine somebody is walking off and stopping at that moment. You can see the flow, the nethichutti, the chain, the earring, everything is lamped. So imagine you're just stopping in midstream. Not only that, he explained a little more. And the earring, actually, if you're a painter, you don't have to, you just subtly mention. You know it is round, but actual strokes, they're just straight lines. But you know it's a whatever. And the purum, the threading eating now for and especially the razor chain thing in the definitely. I've been told that I do in schools. Schools is completely different. To capture an young audience, 6th standard, 7th standard. I just show them Jataka tales. Jataka tales, yesterday you have seen a lot, but this is one of my popular Jatakas. The story is very simple. Vanara Kootam, or Mambaratha river la poturadhu, the river la the Mambaram float aagi Raja kitta porudhu. Raja wants it, so he sends his troops and they start firing at the monkeys to clear them to get to the mango tree, and the monkey king tries to save his clan by jumping out with a rope. Rope is not enough. He kills. So in the full story, thanks my appa vandirukanga. Even today morning he said all the best. So I grew up on Amachittakada. So in the Amachittakada stories, just watch this part. Yeah. Now we go to Ajanta. This is the panel. We'll go closer. Anga Teyada. Let me take you closer. So yeah, the same. The monkey is forming a bridge. The monkey is going over. Angi or villain monkey. Kadayil villain irukku. Thatti vitturudhu. Keela virudhu. The king takes stand and he's on stretcher. So let's see how they look. It's more clearer. The axe. The archers are shooting. But இதை நேரா பார்த்தா அப்படி இருக்கும். ஸோ இது இந்த கதை, இந்த சீனு, line drawings are very important. And thanks to some amazing artists today, bulk of what you're going to see is basically painting overlaid with line drawings, which for laymen like me help us understand the painting. Yesterday we saw this, the incense burner, Tobakar, such a beautiful design. Design is copy banana. You can copy this as well. Next one, another one, Kadala Barana. Moon at the Toad. It's all fashion coming back.